called a student syndrome. If I will give you a certain time frame with what you need to do in that one, you always push towards the end. Alright?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
Parkinson Law. What is a Parkinson Law? Even if it will take 2 months of time, since it is allocated 6 months of time frame, you still try to consume all 6 months. Case number 1. Avoid that one. What Agile is saying, very interesting point. Agile is saying here, what it is saying that in Waterfall, my requirement is fixed. Yes or no?
Yes.
But day 1 my requirement is fixed. Then on that basis, I need to define my capacity without actually knowing how much they can deliver. But I can say, okay, anything, got it. But self-organized means every iteration have a certain, you are following certain steps.
Okay.
You have a sprint planning meeting, you have a delivery and execution, you have a review and retrospective, and that not only on that one, to enable that one, you are following burn down chart, you are following so many principles, metrics, artifacts. That is become your self-organized team. You are self-organized for whom? Is for yourself as well as representing to outer world through burn down chart and all, right? It's organized. In the day 1, I'm just giving an example. In a day 1 to day 10, for 2 weeks is one sprint. In the day 1, what I'm going to do? Planning. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this planning again is divided into 2 parts. One is the sprint planning meeting and sprint planning meeting 2. We are going to discuss what's happening inside 1 and one side 2. And the rest of the day, what you do? Development, sprint time.
Yes.
And end of the sprint, what we do now, Ravi? We first demonstrate what we have completed. So product owner is going to evaluate your commitment, how much you completed and
How much was committed?
and then you do the sprint retrospective. Yes or no?
Yes.
This retrospective is nothing but you lesson learned, right? And what is the DSM?
Daily stand-up meeting.
Daily stand close. Either it can be here or here. That is something called as product backlog grooming. Now, the product backlog is a container which will contain all set of requirements which is necessary for the successful delivery of the project. Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm saying all requirements. It can have the business requirement. Yes. Each and every component which are necessary to complete the end-to-end delivery of a product, successful product is called a product backlog. Non-functional requirement can be a product backlog item. For example, performance.
Yes, that is non-functional, of course.
Yes. So every NFR can also become the product backlog item. PBI is nothing but product backlog items. That high level requirement when you are writing at a very big level is called as epic. So that big requirement is become your epic. Alright?
Okay.
So what the best way?
We'll break it into small
Break it into smaller pieces, the
Smaller
best
pieces.
possible way.
Yes.
Okay. So you break it till the final which you can take it.
Take it away. Yes.
Alright. So when you first time break the epic, that became a smaller component, independent component, right? Independent, yes. And that is definitely certain value that became your story. And that story again further can be broken down. Assume that you have broken big rock or big epic into a smaller bit, but still you cannot consume at a single time.
Okay.
You further break it down.
Okay.
So you keep on breaking user story till a granular, till the time you can complete within a sprint.
If an order is placed,
Okay.
for that well in advance, let's say 2 hours in advance, though it's out of menu, we're going to prepare for it for the customer.
Yeah.
Though it's not in the menu.
Okay. To a order, we have to get the payment
Yes.
online.
That's the
Advance,
take
something
the advance
will take.
amount.
Yeah.
Advance amount.
Maybe,
Advance
maybe,
amount. Part of it. Part.
Yes. Think about end-to-end aspect, right? Then give your voting estimation. So Scrum Master, I as a Scrum Master, I'll count it 3, then you show your card, then you show your card, okay?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, show your card now. 5, 8, 13, right? So that's a good number. Now who are the outliers? 5 and 13. You need to explain why 5, why 13, and he need to explain why 5, right? Please explain each other and then come to a conclusion. So 8 story points. Can you just make it 8 here, right? So we got the story point how much?
For permission, 8 story
8.
point.
Then you can go for the second one.
Yes.
Excellent. Like you know, it's a meaning of way of refining your understanding.
Yes.
You might be right, he might be wrong, or the reverse might be correct. You need to understand, collaborate with each other, identify what went wrong in your thought process. Why that is so outlier, so big difference, right?
So I give that.
Head. Tail. 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 Tail.
Let me take it.
Oh, okay.
Quickly start, yeah.
Do it here.
Yeah. Head. Head.